Good evening. It is approximately 9:30 at night. We had a surprise snowstorm blow in, and our oldest daughter was out with her friend, and on their way home got stuck in a ditch. So we are off to test out some recovery gear and see if we can't get them out of the ditch. Bronco saves the day. Me and my friend ended up in a ditch. We were going as slow as possible, but unfortunately we hugged that shoulder a little too tight and went off-roading in a not off-roading vehicle. But fortunately my dad came and saved us and pulled us out. And yep, we're all good.